smells like body fantasies.
It turned on right when you were like, body fantasies. Hey.
It does.
Hey.
It smells good.
Hey, sexy.
It's body fantasy.
It's like,
yeah, that was awkward. Sorry. You're sexy.
I would do you. I would do you. How awkward does that make you feel?
Very. No, actually, I want it.
I didn't even get that. Okay. God. I'm just viewing Cindy. I don't know what to do.
Fancy living.
All done.
Oh.
I took a whole big cup by myself.
I helped you.
Yeah, I had a spoonful. It tastes like sour cream.
Body fantasies.
By Cindy's face. Okay. This video is kind of lame, so I don't know what to do. I'm hungry. Oh no! Okay. Like, I'm just in the background. What the fuck?
Okay, stop.
Stop it. Okay, yeah.
Fantasies.